Every missed call could be a $2,500 plumbing job. What if I told you that one missed phone call could be worth $2,500? For a plumber, that is not an exaggeration. A missed call could be a burst pipe, a failed water heater, a major drain issue, a sewer backup, an emergency repair that needs immediate attention. In other words, it could be a high value job from a customer who is ready to hire right now. But if nobody answers, that customer does not stay loyal to a phone number. They stay loyal to urgency. That means they keep calling. And that is exactly how plumbing companies lose big jobs without realizing it. The phone rings, the owner is already on a call or under a sink. The texts are busy. It is after hours. It goes to voicemail. The customer hangs up and calls the next company. A competitor answers, books the job, and gets paid. And you never even knew what that call was worth. Missed calls is missed cash. That is the painful part. Most contractors only count the jobs they completed. They do not count the jobs they never had a chance to quote because no one answered the phone. So when someone says missed calls are not a big deal, they are ignoring how valuable some of those calls can be, especially in plumbing, where urgency drives action and high ticket jobs are often with a desperate inbound call. That is why your phone process matters so much because the first moment of contact is not just customer service, it is revenue protection. If your business is regularly missing calls, you are not just losing small service calls, you may be losing some of the biggest value work your company could book. Missed calls is missed cash. That is why smart contractors stop relying on luck. They create a system so that every call gets answered, every lead gets handled, and every emergency has a real path to getting booked. Because when the phone rings, you do not know whether it is a $150 job or a $2,500 job. But if you miss it, the result is often the same. Someone else gets paid. Missed calls is missed cash. So if you need assistance catching the missed calls, comment below, help me, and I'll send you the free report. Boom. Take care.